Should you incorporate your business? If you ask 10 entrepreneurs, you will get 12 different answers. And here's the thing. Incorporating isn't automatically a tax-saving magic trick. In fact, for some people, it's a waste of money. The real benefit of incorporating isn't just about paying less tax. It's about controlling when you pay tax. And that's a very different game. My name is Emma, and I have helped many Canadians decide whether incorporation makes sense for their business. I have seen people save hundreds of thousands, and I have seen people regret it. In the next few minutes, I will break down how incorporation really works, the costs you need to know about, and the one question that will tell you if it's right for you. Start here. Why are you considering it? If it's legal protection, yes, incorporation can create a clear wall between your personal life and your business. If it's for tax savings, well, that's where it gets tricky. Before you rush in, let's talk about cost. The legal fee to set up a corp with a lawyer. It costs anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000, depends on how complex it is. And there is the annual cost to file tax for your business. If you use an accountant, it can cost $2,000 and more every year. If you don't want to spend the money and try to file it yourself, I have seen how complicated and annoying the whole process is. You don't really want to do it yourself. So, will incorporating save you more in taxes than it costs to maintain? That's the real question. How incorporation actually save on taxes? It's about deferring income, not making it disappear. In BC, small businesses pay 11% corporate tax on the first $500,000 in profits. Compare that to the 53.5% personal rate on income over $250,000, and you see the spread. If you don't need all your business income for personal use right now, you can leave that extra in your corporation, paying just that 11% today and pull it out later over time. When you eventually withdraw the money from the corp to your personal name, yes, you will pay another layer of tax, but by controlling when you withdraw it, you can 1. Take the money out over years to keep your income tax rate low. 2. If you don't ever need the cash, you can pass it to the next generation. This gives you more time to plan for tax-efficient ways to create and preserve generational wealth. If your business makes more than you spend and you don't need every dollar today, incorporation gives you the control over the timing of your taxes. It's all about deferring tax and using that deferral to your advantage. If you are watching this video, you are already asking the right questions. Now, it's time to run your numbers and see if incorporation fits your situation. If you want help figuring out your numbers and whether incorporation is right for you, send me an email. Happy to have a chat.